Hi, I am Amy Rose. Who invented periodic table? We will give some details. The periodic table was invented by the Russian chemist Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev, 1834 to 1907. He was best known for his discovery of the periodic law, which he introduced in 1869, and for his formulation of the periodic table of elements. Check out the arrangement of elements that can be shown. In each vertical row, we see a group. In each horizontal row, we see a period. Now, depending on the sizes of shells, by increasing the atomic number, the shell size increases as you go down in each group. Also, the shell size decreases as we move towards the right in each period. Let us take any element by giving parameters. For example, suppose boron has an atomic number of 5. The atomic mass, same as atomic weight, is about 10.81 unified atomic mass units, which is kind of a roughly doubled value. Note that the chemical symbol of boron is B. Its melting point is 2350 Kelvin, and the boiling point is 4200 Kelvin. The electrons per shell in boron is 2 and 3. And finally, electronic configuration is helium, in square brackets, 2s2, 2p1. In case you can find more parameters, you can find the uses and its discovery taken in which year. Boron was discovered by Joseph Louis Gay-Lussac, Louis Jacques Thénard, and Humphrey Davy on 30 June, 1808. Its applications are building strong bones, treatment of osteoarthritis, muscle coordination and others. Sometimes, there are some disadvantages. Boron is possibly unsafe for adults and children when taken by mouth in high doses. Large quantities of boron can cause poisoning. Signs of poisoning include skin inflammation and peeling, irritability, tremors, convulsions, weakness, headaches, and other symptoms. Now we will move on to classification of blocks of elements. There are 4 types of blocks for elements: S block, P block, D block, and F block. First thing, we show you S block. Ranges from group 1 to 2. Group 1 contains alkali metals, and group 2 contains alkaline earth metals. We can find out the valency of group 1 and group 2 elements. All elements in group 1 will have one valence electron in a shell, that is, a valency of +1. And in group 2, we get a valency of +2. Consists of 2 electrons in the shell. Next, in P block elements, ranging from group 13 to group 18. These contain metals, metalloids, nonmetals, and noble gases at the last. Metals such as aluminium, gallium, indium, tin and others. Metalloids such as boron, silicon, germanium and others. Nonmetals such as carbon, oxygen, fluorine, phosphorus and others. And noble gases at the final group, these contain helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, and oganesson. Note that the valency becomes 0 in the noble gases. This means we get a complete set of electrons in each shell. Next, D block elements are transition elements ranging from group 3 to group 12. 2 elements are different, containing lanthanum and actinium, having atomic number 57 and 89 respectively. Most transition metals have 2 valence electrons. They have an electronic configuration of ns2 times n-1d. So those ns2 electrons are the valence electrons. Finally, F block elements, each row contains lanthanides, and next containing actinides respectively. They are 14 of them each. The rest of them numbered from 58 to 71 for lanthanides, and 90 to 103 for actinides by the way. Except atomic numbers 57 and 89 which we have already taken in D block elements. Lanthanides and actinides can have 1 or 2 valence electrons. Now, before ending this video, we will show you the shells of filling electrons. In general, we write the electronic configuration as 2n², where n can be 1, 2, 3 and so on. In the first shell, say n is equal to 1, we get 2 electrons. In the second shell, say n is equal to 2, we get 8 electrons. In the third shell and above, say n is equal to 3, we get 18 electrons. Such a complete set of electrons will be 2, 8, 18, and so on. In the next video, we will learn about reaction of metals. Hit subscribe button right down there. Thank you.